when it comes to lead magnet, the biggest mistake you can make is only thinking about collecting emails. This mistake can cause you to attract the wrong people to your email list. People who will stay rent-free on your email list without buying anything and end up burning your time, money, and resource. So I'm gonna solve this problem for you and show you how to create a lead magnet, what type of lead magnet is right for your business, how to optimize the landing page for your lead magnet. By the end of this video, I'm also going to show you a 20-second test that you can take to make sure that you attract the right people who will happily pull out their credit card to buy from you. Before we start, you should know that your lead magnet should be unique, creative, interesting, easy, and digestible. Most importantly, your lead magnet should solve an specific, urgent, painful problem for your audience. Now, the burning question here is, how do you figure out what urgent, painful problem your audience has? To begin with, start by looking at what people are already paying for. Why? Because if it's something they are whipping their credit card for, imagine what would happen if they got it for free. Go to Amazon, search for product related to your niche, go through all the comments, and you'll find a lot of objection. You can list out those objection. Also, look out for the headlines that grab your attention. This will give you a lot of ideas to as what your lead magnet should be. You can also use a similar title on your landing page for maximum conversion rate. If Amazon isn't enough, search other social media like Twitter, Reddit, Quora. See what are the problem and painful problem people are asking to be solved. Now, if you create the lead magnet based on the urgent, painful problem your audience is facing, not only your lead magnet will resonate, but it will also drive conversion. And there is no way your lead magnet will fail, only if you don't mess up on one thing, which we're going to talk about in a minute. But for some of you, you might already have a product or service you are offering. Keep this in mind, that the small problem you solve with your lead magnet must be co-related to your main offers. Your lead magnet should do a good job of convincing them that your product or mechanism is the real deal. Otherwise, there is no point in creating a lead magnet to only collect emails. Now, the question is, what is the best lead magnet for your business? This really depends on based on the service product you are offering. For instance, you might have high ticket offers. The best possible way you can convert people to buy your main offer is to offer a free video masterclass or a webinar. This creates an instant connection between you and the prospect. And not only it also solves their immediate problem, but it also shows that you know what you are doing. But what if you don't want to do a webinar or a video masterclass? Then you can use an informative PDF, a fun quiz, or a case study to attract the right people to your email list. I don't want to repeat myself, but I'm repeating again because this is the biggest mistake I see people make. Do not create a lead magnet that has nothing to do with your niche. Focus on solving a real problem rather than giving them a checklist and 10 AI tools that will make you rich. Now, you can follow all those steps and create the best lead magnet in the world, but people will not convert until your landing page is optimized. So how do you optimize your landing page for maximum conversion rate? Use attention grabbing headline, be clear and concise about what you are offering. When you are also researching on Amazon or other social media, look into the problem that they are asking and tap into that problem and try to solve that problem, and based on that problem create the headline. If you want to learn how to create a headline that works, you can watch the video on the I button. I guess it's here. Okay, now comes the test to know if your lead magnet will attract people with money or people who are just here for your free stuff. It's very simple. Let's say you want to catch a whale, but you're using a bait that is used to catch tuna. Do you think you'll be able to catch a whale with the bait of tuna? The answer is obviously no. But let me explain. Let's say you want to sell your high ticket offers and you created a lead magnet to attract copywriters, and the headline goes as how to earn your first 1K as a copywriter. Now, what do you think is the target market for this lead magnet is? Yes, beginners who doesn't necessarily have a lot of money. But what if your lead magnet says how to scale your copywriting business to 30K per month? Now, what is the target market for this lead magnet? Yes, established copywriters who are already playing the game and have the money to pay for scaling their business to the next level. See the difference? Most of the times you don't have a lead magnet problem, you have a bait problem, because you can't catch a whale with a bait of tuna. So before you put together your a lead magnet, you should sit down and think, who do you wanna target? Now that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, because I'm on a journey to hitting 1K subscriber in 6 months. See you in the next video.